Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Squarespace domain to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Shopify store and go to the settings menu. In the settings, navigate to the domains section. Here, click on connect existing domain. You don't need to buy a new domain, just choose to connect an existing one. In the field provided, type in your domain name. If you have the domain name copied, you can simply paste it here. Once you've entered the domain name, click on Next. The system will now ask you to verify connection. After clicking this, Shopify will attempt to connect to the domain and verify its settings. If successful, your domain will be connected and set as the primary one for your Shopify store. If additional steps are needed, such as adjusting DNS records or name servers, Shopify will provide specific instructions on which DNS records or name servers to update. Follow these guidelines to complete the connection process. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.